Hello students, today I am teaching English of your class. The chapter number is 8 and the chapter name is Lucy Looks into a Wardrobe. This is the first part of the chapter and the chapter is very interesting. This is the extract taken from a story, The Lion, the Witch and a Wardrobe. And this story, this part that you have, it is given in your textbook. It is an extract. It is an extract of a story novel. It is a novel, and there is a series written by the writer, The Chronicles of Narnia. Chronicles of Narnia. So there are 7 books are there, and it is this extract is taken from the second book of this series. Fine. So now I am explaining it, but before that, let us discuss about let us know the hard words and the new words given in this chapter. Now the hard words and the new words are also there, but yes, because this is English and I will try to explain this chapter in English only. Very few words I am going to use Hindi. The moment, a very short period of time, very short of period of time. The way we speak, wait a moment, I am coming, means थोड़ी देर के लिए. That is the moment. Fantasy is imaginary situation. That is the dreaming situation, daydreaming, खुली आंखों से सपने देखना, fantasy world. Okay, avid means very enthusiastic, means जोश. Inhabit to live in a place. The place where we live is called inhabit. Chronicles is a written record of historical events described in series, means in different book. Like you might have heard about the Harry Potter. There are 7 books are there, one after another. Similarly, chronicles, that is called any event. It has occurred long back and they have written in different series, means one after another, 4, 5 series or 10 series. So that is called, and the record has been maintained, that is called chronicles. Extract means to take something out, like there is a story, long story, but some part of that story has been taken out, that is called extract. Fascinate, to get attracted, किसी भी चीज से attract होना. Adventure means courage, daring, कुछ अच्छा ऐसा करना जिसमें मजा आए. Adventure. Air raids, an attack in which number of aircraft drop bombs on a place. Air raids, जैसे air strike बोलते हैं ना, air strike, अभी जो उरी में हुआ था. तो ये आपका क्या है, that is the air raids, जहाँ पे बॉम्ब गिराए जाते हैं एयरक्राफ्ट से किसी एक प्लेस पे. Shaggy, untidy means साफ सुथरा नहीं होना. Pretend, play act means जताना, झूठ बोल, मतलब नाटक करना, like a नाटक, that is play act. Upstairs means next floor, higher floor of the building. Splendid, excellent. Bad tempered means angry or impatient. Suddenly means all of a sudden, achanak. Creepy, that makes you feel nervous, means if you are going in a new place and you don't know anyone, then you feel creepy. Stags, male deer. Badger, an animal with black and white lines on its head. Grumbling means complaining, complain करते रहना, that is called grumbling. Unexpected, sudden, अचानक, पता नहीं अचानक कोई आ जाए, that is unexpected guest. Spare means extra. Suit, that is the formal set of clothes. Armor, metal dress made for warriors, means जो लड़ाई में war में जाते थे उनके लिए लोहे का ड्रेस होता था, that is called armor. Harp, a large musical instrument with many strings, just like a guitar, but it is very huge, it is tall, it is about the height of the human being. Worthwhile means enjoyable, कुछ देर मजा आने वाला. Moth ball, you might have seen at your home also the naphthalene balls that we keep to insect away from the clothing. We keep those balls in the cupboards, कपड़ों में रखते हैं, white color के balls होते हैं, that is called naphthalene balls, and it is also called moth ball, means कपड़ों को बचाने के लिए वो chemical का ball होता है. Enormous, very big. Crunching, a noise made when something is crushed, किसी चीज को हम crush करते हैं तो crunching sound आता है. Okay. Stooping means bending, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा रास्ता. Queer, odd. prickly, thorny, कांटे वाला, prickly, thorny, कांटेदार. Okay, so now introduction, that is the page number 82 of your book. There are 3 things given there: connect, reflect and imagine. Means you have to connect with the chapter. How are you going to connect with the chapter? Like if you have something to hide, अगर कोई चीज छुपाना चाहते हो and or you had hide yourself, कहीं अपने आप को कभी छुपाया होगा, तो where would you do so? कहाँ जाके छुपाने की कोशिश करोगे? अपने आप को कहीं छुपाना पड़े, घर में डांट पड़ने वाली, अरे कहीं छुप जाए. If you want to hide yourself, then where are you going to hide yourself? Write down in your notebook. Reflect. What kind of adventurous things do you like to do? Means enjoyable, entertaining, courageous, daring. What type of act that you want to do? That also you write down in your notebook. Imagine. Imagine that your cupboard where you store clothes is a magical. Suppose there is one cupboard in your room and you store your things like clothes and your books and everything. But if it is a magical cupboard, what do you imagine about that? Write down about the magical cupboard. Suppose you have a magical cupboard. Write down few lines in your notebook about that. So if you do these 3 things, connect, reflect and imagine, you can understand this chapter very well. Now, before starting the chapter, I would like to introduce you with the author or writer of this book. His name is Clive Staples Lewis. He was born in 1898 and he died in 1963. He is a beloved writer of fantasy. Means he always used to write the books related with the imaginary world. Born in Belfast, Ireland, to a family of book lovers. मतलब इसके घर में जो भी members थे, all were book lovers. उनको किताबें पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था. Avid writer means enthusiastic writer, बहुत जोश में लिखते थे, मतलब नई नई चीजें करने का. And started writing his own stories on dressed animal from the age of 5, inhabiting the fantasy land. अपने आप को imaginary दुनिया, fantasy land में ले जाके, and used to write the stories, small stories about the animals but dressed. The animals, they used to wear the clothes like a human being from the age of 5, and he was written more than 30 novels. He has written more than 30 novels. Now you can see everything is written in present tense. Has written, present tense means he is dead, but he died in 1983, but his work is still there. That's why these sentences are written in present tense. His highly acclaimed series is The Chronicles of Narnia, a series of 7 books. There are 7 books written in about the Narnia. Narnia was a place, imaginary place. And there is a movie also based on this novel, The Chronicles of Narnia. I have seen that movie and it is an excellent movie. You must watch it. So, he has written The Chronicles of Narnia. A series of 7 books were there. And this story in your book is the extract taken from The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Lucy looks into a wardrobe. This is the chapter name, and it is taken from the novel The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, which was published in 1950. The second book in the chronicle, this is the second book in the Chronicles of Narnia. This series of 7 books are there. That is The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is the second book. Okay. And took 10 years to complete. He took 10 years to write this book. Just imagine. The writer Lewis was always fascinated by animals. इसको एनिमल्स बहुत पसंद है इस राइटर को. एंड ही क्रिएटेड अ मैजिकल वर्ल्ड इनहेबिटेड बाय एनिमल्स विथ ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज. इसने इन द क्रॉनिकल्स ऑफ नार्निया ही हैज रिटन द बुक बेस्ड ऑन द एनिमल्स विच हैव द ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज. एंड द स्टोरी द लूसी लुक्स इनटू द वॉर्डरोब इज एक्चुअली अबाउट द एडवेंचर ऑफ 4 सिबलिंग्स. ये 4 भाई बहन की कहानी है जिसमें पीटर, सुजन, Edmund and Lucy. The 4 children are there. They are the siblings, भाई बहन है, and it is all about that story about these 4 children adventures. ये जब when he went to the place, it is a village, and there is one huge house is there, and one professor used to stay with one helper in that huge castle. And when they entered in that house, they feel something different. And four brothers and sisters were there. They started enjoying that place, and then their adventure started. And if you see that movie, The Chronicles of Narnia, you will enjoy a lot. That movie is very good. In this, I will explain in the next chapter about the next video about the chapter. By the time you listen to this video very carefully, okay? Thank you.